We are now going to format the slicers. So let's begin with the date slicer. And because this is a slider, we need to go as per usual to the format pane. And in here, we can format the header and we can say start date. And we can amend the color, of course, and the size and the font. Okay. Also the date inputs. So for instance, if we wanted them to be blue, yes, with white font. And of course the slider, which is gray right now, but we can make that into pink, for instance, although I do prefer gray. So we can always refer to the default. Next, for the agent, similar kind of options where you have the header, which you can remove. Instead, you can add a title, which looks a bit different and tends to be bigger. And you can also filter the items so that they are a different color, for instance. And we can do purple with a white font so that this is now purple. And finally, for the horizontal slicer, the items here, we can also color them and, oh, no, sorry. We can make them blue so they look more like buttons. And of course, we can add an outline so that we frame them. And that is how you edit or format slicers.